A little further to the left. Okay, stop. Bring it forward, right onto the scale platform. Easy on the clutch. A little more to the left, Bill.
How's that look from here?
Perfect. Go ahead and set the brake.
We're almost full here.
All right, keep it steady for 5 more minutes.
Check the reading on the main conveyor. It's fluctuating.
Dialing it back now. Keep an eye on the drum cleaner intake.
The separation looks good on this batch.
Yes, the moisture content is stable.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Adjusting feed rate. Adjusting the feed rate now.
Looks stable down here. The milling fineness is precisely where we need it. Look at the consistency.
rise looks consistent across the rack.
Humidity levels are stable.
We should be ready for the oven in 10 minutes.
Keep an eye on the temperature near the end zone.
Noted. The crust is developing perfectly.
Everything is stable on the panel.
Are the gauges reading correctly?
Yes, supervisor, everything is within tolerance.
We should increase the fan speed slightly on zone 3.
Okay, adjusting now. The flow rate is steady.
Quality is holding up well.
The steam release looks consistent across the loaves now.
Yes, the adjustments to the humidity levels seem to be working.
Check the temperature readout on aisle 3.
The crust looks perfect, but the internal temp is still high.
We need to adjust the fan speed.
The new slicer is performing well today.
Yes, much smoother than the old model.
The alignment on the last loaf was slightly off. Keep an eye on the guides, and we need to maintain consistency for the automated packing. The alignment on the upper crates is slightly off.
I can adjust the guides now.
The seals are holding tight though.
Easy as it.
All right, that looks secure. Head on back for the next one. Make sure that pallet is secure before the next run, Carlos.
Already strapped, boss.
Bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side. Okay, easy back. Keep coming straight and hold it right there. Stop. Okay, check the manifest. Pallets 1 through 4 go to aisle 2. We need to cross-reference this shipment manifest against the bill. Marked it off, we still need 2 more.
Everything accounted for, Supervisor. Scanning complete.
Good. Handler, take it straight to the front shelves.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you scan every carton, David. I got the pallet jack ready over here. Did you scan everything on the pallet yet?
Almost done. Just 2 more cases here.
We need to move the remaining wheat loaves to the back.
We need to move this pallet to the back room now.
Okay, I'll get the jack ready.
Make sure it's secure before you move it. There's the wheat bread. Next up are the canned goods.
Okay, I'm scanning them now.
Everything matches the manifest.
Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
All right, check the manifest for aisle 4.
We need the bread crates moved first.
Copy that. Moving the crates now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice afternoon.
Inventory check complete.
Yes, sir. 1 slice golden wheat, exactly as ordered.
Delivery complete.